6 truths of life. Love is nothing without action. Trust is nothing without proof. Hope is nothing without effort.
Give is nothing without heart.
Sorry is nothing without change. Life is nothing without peace. Never harm your mother, not with words, anger, or silence. She's the only woman who loves you unconditionally, even when you gave her nothing back. Respect her. The time you have with her is more limited than you think.